Welcome to Dare MattG, that thing on the internet where sometimes you guys dare me to do some things and sometimes I do those things you dare me to do. Stop complaining about the couch and let's just do some dares.
I am the basement couch! Get that over there. Sorry, basement couch. We'll make it all better. We'll make it all better. There we go. There we go. Nobody was fucking with the couch. Hey guys, welcome to Dare MattG. We're getting dangerously close to number 100. Warning! This video contains some stuff you're probably not ready to see. Put the food down. Set the drink aside. I don't want to ruin your electronic devices. You know what? No. Turn off the electronic devices. We're in flight. You don't care about this plane at all, do you? Anyway, so before we get started, as always, give a big shout out to the people who follow me on Facebook and Twitter and all the cool things they send at me, like an armadillo with a dildo on its forehead. Really enjoyed that one. Anyway, if you have an interesting dare questions, you can get them at me on here on my Facebook and Twitter or down in the comments below. And before we get started, I'm going to announce the winners of the paintings from last week. Bloop and bloop. You can go ahead and check your YouTube messages if you're these two people. So other than that, let's talk about the official Dare MattG Marathon Mode Challenge, because I update it every week and it gets longer and longer and harder. That is what somebody said at one point. So if this is your first time watching Dare MattG and you really want to know what's going on, click here and start from the beginning. There's not 94 videos for you to watch. No. Alright, let's just do the dumb things, shall we? I dare you to take a shot of kale and burp in someone's face. What, you don't pound kale? What are you, a wussy? Huh? What, you don't use Bowflex, bro? I'm doing Kegels. Ugh. I dare you and a friend to do a position out of the Kama Sutra. Yeah, just like that. This one's called the letter H. Alright, now for this next one, I'm gonna do something that has never been done before, that I've done a couple times before. Gonna combine these two dares using Jay's hand as the bowl and then the energy drinks to go in the cereal, because why not stone two birds with one rock? I need a bowl.
Let's meet this goddamn horse. Somebody likes this horse.
All right. Have you washed your hands yet?
Oh God, no.
Thank God. You know how I like it. Ugh. You can't start your day off without eating cereal out of somebody's hands. It's a complete breakfast right here. Now I gotta drink the milk.
Mm-hmm.
I dare you to handcuff yourself to someone. How could this ever go wrong? I don't see the issue here. You don't even listen to me. Let's just play the clip.
Dude, what the fuck? Get it off! Get it off!
Okay. We're filming a thing. Sorry. He didn't like that. He didn't like that very much at all. I want to thank that guy for not being a dick and letting us use the footage because I thought he was gonna be real mad. I dare you to do adult stuff, like the dishes or vacuuming. This is chore. It sounds like chores. This is chores. This is just chores. You're just trying to get me to do chores. Just trying to get me to do chores. I get it. We'll do chores. No. Steve. Steve, shut up for a second. Listen. No, you listen. I asked you to evaluate my stock portfolio. Look, I asked you to evaluate my stock portfolio, and frankly, you're being a bit of a dick, okay? Listen, no, I asked you, and you're being a douche. Look, I don't have time. I don't have time for this. You know why I don't have time for this, Steve? Because I'm an adult. Frankly, I'm an adult, and I'm doing adult things. I don't have time to sit here and listen to you be a dick when I'm too busy doing things that adults do. Look, when I need advice about making love to my wife, I'll go to Dr. Phil, not Steve, stock guy. I need to do my stocks, and I'm too busy being an adult. Goddamn grief, Steve, in these dishes. Well, come on! And I guess that's gonna bring us to the end of this edition of Dare MattG, which brings us to a brand new game of shame. That thing on the internet that there's stuff.
I just have my fucking phone. I just don't give a shit about this. Let's just get it over with so I can go back to my trailer. Can you save it for when it's not recording?
Welcome to another game of shame. Today's game is Chubby Bunny, but like always, we're not playing by the rules because we're a bunch of hard asses. I guess we just want to get as much marshmallows as we can into our mouth without dying.
Cool.
Ready? Go.
Well, I almost throw up. And by throw up, I mean threw up.
How do we score this, Judge?
No.
Why is your hair on yours?
I'm not a hairy tongue, man. What can I say? This is called Gamer Shame after all, and I certainly am ashamed of myself.
I continue to fucking hate this game. Or love it, I haven't decided. Let's try not to ever do that again. Anyway, hey, what's up? It's the end of the video. So, if you have any interest in answering questions, you can leave them in a comment on this video, or do it on my Facebook and Twitter. Also, if you haven't bought your tickets for Buffer Festival yet to come see me in some big stupid videos that I'm gonna play there, there's gonna be a link down in the description, bufferfestival.com. I will see you guys on Tuesday. I'm gonna go this way. Just kidding. I'm gonna go behind this curtain. I regret every minute of this. Ugh. Oh, officer, okay, sure, I was driving a little erratically. Yeah, okay, sure, I was up on the sidewalk. But